Hello everyone. Okay, my name is Shafiq Rasulan, and I would like to share a little bit about so Discord servers, alright? So let's start with building a server. Let's start by looking at on our left panel. At the bottom, we will have add a server. You can press on that, right? To create your own server, right? You can choose for club or community or even for me and my friends. The options are they differ in certain things, but overall they might be the same. Okay, okay. So first you need to name your server. So for example, I'll just call this test one. I'll create that, and now you have your server. Okay. So to invite people, what you do is you go to test one, the name of the server, and on the right there's going to be a button. Okay. Press on that, you will have the option to invite people. Okay, and then you can copy this invite link, send it to that person, and but mind you that this invite link, it will expire in 7 days. Okay, so they have to join within that 7 days. Okay, so that's how you invite people. Now to add categories, the first thing you need to do is again press the same button, and then there's an option to create categories, and create categories there. Okay, so the structure goes, which is you have the server, and then a subset of that is the category, and then within that category, those categories, you will have voice channel or text channel. Okay, so say I have a category and I will say, okay, this is going to be student discussions, or probably group 1 students, group 1 student discussions. Okay, create, and then I can have another one, group 2 students discussion. Okay, 2 student discussions. Okay, right, so I have 2 categories right now, and for each of them I might want to start with a text channel, uh, probably chat here. Okay, create channel, and I can add another one, voice channel, talk here, talk here. Okay, create channel, and then I can do the same. I can do the same with the second category. Okay, okay, all right. So now we have categories and we do have the channels already. Okay, now when people come in, when people join your servers, right? You want to assign roles because those roles tells you about permissions, what they can and cannot do. Okay, so you go back to the option that we had, go to server settings, and there is a button for roles. Okay, you can create roles. For example, I'm going to split them up into group 1 students, group 1 student, and I can set up their permission over here, but let's not worry about that because it's quite long. I'll just save changes for that, and then of course you can add members on the last one, which says manage members, and you can add them here. Right, now let's add another group, group 2 students. Okay, again you can choose the colors here. Let's choose the color blue, and this one will be green, for example. Okay, save changes. Okay, now say you want to make sure that group 2 students does not see the discussion of group 1, then what you can do is you can right click on group 1 student discussions, edit the category, change the permissions. So in other words, not everyone will be able to see the channel. Okay, and then only group 1 student will be able to see the channels, right? Okay, you can also, just to be safe, you can write down there. Okay, you can choose group 2 students will not be able to see the channel. All right, save changes. And now, okay, if I were to go back to server settings and then roles, and then I choose to view the server as group 2 students, I will not be able to see the discussion of group 1 students. Okay, so that's the strength of assigning roles. When you assign roles to certain groups of members, right, you can control right? You can control their permission to either view certain items, certain categories, certain channels, or not. Okay. So that is all for this video. If you have anything more to ask about Discord, do let me know. Okay. Thank you.